Select Honda models are equipped with a unique windshield wiper design. When in their resting position, they stay hidden for better aesthetics and aerodynamics. To optimize wiper operation, there are a few things to keep in mind. Unlike conventional windshield wiper designs, you should not lift the wiper arms directly from their resting position, as doing so will damage the hood area. When you want to prepare your wipers for icy weather or simply want to change out the blades, here's how to do it safely. Start with the vehicle on or in accessory mode, then turn the vehicle off. Within 10 seconds, lift the wiper stalk and hold for at least 2 seconds. The wiper will move to the vertical position. Gently lift the wipers away from the windshield. Note that the hood should not be raised while the wiper blades are lifted. Doing so may damage the vehicle. To return the wipers to their normal position, gently place them against the windshield, turn the vehicle on, and raise the wiper stalk again. To learn more about the features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.